Yeah. Step into the lab. The motherboard is breathing. OTIX in the building. ApCycler.com. We recycling the game. Bypassing the fame. Let's go! I'm the anomaly, monstrous with the technology, stomping the competition, no option for an apology. Flipping the script, I'm stripping the chips, I'm ripping the locks. Bypass like a boss, I'm picking the box, ticking the clocks. Who's stuck on a setup, I get up and sever the tether with the OTIX A12 A13 RAM disc. I'm changing the weather, extracting the data like venom, they bleeding out fast. OTIX Mac on the info extract, putting the past in the trash. I'm surgical, vertical, taking it higher than satellites. OTIX A12 A12 a signal, I'm bringing the battle to Apple sites. Recycle, rebuild it, I drill it, I kill it. ApCycler.com is the clinic, admit it. I'm the king of the cycle, the lord of the code. Watch me unload in a whole different mode. If it's locked, I drop it, I chop it, I clear it. OTIX the name and you're learning to fear it. Hit to ApCycler, we running the net. The greatest to do it, and haven't peaked yet. Yeah. Back to the lab, man, I'm cracking the slabs. OTIX Passcode erase, I'm wiping the trace. Taking the jabs, you amateurs playing with patches. I'm snatching the crown. OTIX T2 Activator Pro, I'm shutting your motherboard down. My syllable play is as technical as an OTIX V4.2 Activator Pro. I'm tactical, practical, mathematically running the show. Look at the syntax, I impact the system. They acting so jittery. OTIX T2 Passcode patcher, rewriting the history. They try to restrict me, evict me, but I got the OTIX open menu X. I'm flexing my intellect, snapping the neck of your specs. I'm the king of the cycle, the lord of the code. Watch me unload in a whole different mode. If it's locked, I drop it, I chop it, I clear it. OTIX the name and you're learning to fear it. Hit to ApCycler, we running the net. The greatest to do it, and haven't peaked yet. Full speed, I bleed, ingenuity. Look at the fluidity. OTIX disc cleaner, fully rest, removing stupidity. No relock, no stopping the clock, the permanent master. OTIX T2 MDM, unlock a walking disaster. For anyone trying to challenge the throne, I'm in my zone, reprogramming every device that you own. ApCycler.com is the plug in the socket. We pocket the profit and blast like a rocket. So pass me the mic and the light and the strike 'em. Nobody can bypass exactly quite like 'em. OTIX. Yeah. Pure dominance version 122 on a RAM disc. We constantly evolving. ApCycler.com.